When it comes to upgrading your San Diego outdoor spaces, nothing beats the versatility and durability of pavers. Imagine a driveway, patio, or walkway that's both beautiful and built to last. Pavers don't just look good, they're built tough. Unlike concrete, which can crack and require big repairs, pavers are practically indestructible. They're designed to evenly distribute weight, so they're perfect for driveways, patios, and pool areas. Plus, if anything goes wrong, a spill, a root, or a water leak, repairing pavers is a breeze. Just swap out the damaged piece, and you're good to go. No messy demolition needed. Pavers are also eco-friendly. Their permeable surface lets water drain naturally, helping to prevent erosion and replenish groundwater. Best of all, pavers are ready for action the moment they're installed. No curing time required, just instant enjoyment. We are licensed ICPI NCMA paver specialists and contracted with Belgard and Unilock, two of the most versatile quality paver suppliers in the US. So why wait? Upgrade your outdoor space with pavers today and create the beautiful, functional, and safe environment you deserve. Contact San Diego Premier Outdoor and let's get started.